Hello, welcome to our unboxing video for manufacturer number 4380-DE from Ergo. It's a low-pro 5-slot Picatinny rail wire loom, and it is flat dark earth in color. It quickly and reliably secures the switch and optical wires to the Picatinny rails, eliminating untimely and destructive snags, protects rails from damage and protects shooter from rail edges, prevents damage to gear and clothing that contacts rail edges, molded in Santino preen to provide a low-profile rubbery grip surface for improved weapon control, and it is easily trimmed for custom fitting. Alright, let's get a closer look. Once again, this is manufacturer number 4380-DE from Ergo.